Namaste friends, this is Ramesh Pitla LLB. Please subscribe to our channel. Today we are going to explain about IT Act Section 66A, sending offensive message through communication. This is one of the most repeated offense in India. So what is all about 66A? So in IT Act 2000, 66A says about punishment for sending offensive messages through communication service, etc. Like any person who sends by means of a computer resource or a communication device. Nowadays, the people sending offensive messages to make other person inconvenient, annoyance, obstruction, or to make them sorrow, to make them sad. So they're sending such kind of offensive messages to make them inconvenient a lot. So you may use any computer device or any communication resource, and if you send certain message which is offensive and which is harmful to other person, they are going to get a serious imprisonment. They will be getting up to 3 years of imprisonment, and also they may get the fine. Depends on the severity of the crime. So let us know what is the definition has been given for Section 66A in Information Act 2000. There are three important points, few important points. A. Any information that is grossly offensive or has menacing character, means a dangerous words or offensive words. Point B. Any information which he knows to be false, but for the purpose of causing annoyance, as I said, inconvenience, danger, obstruction, insult, injury, criminal intimidation, enmity, hatred or ill will, persistently by making use of such computer resource or a communicative device, or any electronic mail or electronic mail message for the purpose of causing annoyance, because this is mentioned in C. Okay, so any electronic mail or electronic mail message for the purpose of causing annoyance or convenience, or to devise or to mislead the addressee or recipient about the origin of such messages. So as I mentioned, as per the above points, if anyone commits for offences as per the above points, shall be punishable with imprisonment for a term which may extend to 3 years and with fine. So why this? Who will commit for these kind of offences? Most of the times, our enemies, or who doesn't like, or who had some business partner who were our business partners, and because of glitches who separated from us, or our enemy who hate us, our family members are our enemies, our relatives, or someone friends who became friend to you in social media. Later you may had some glitches and they would like to separate from you, and after separation they would like to take some kind of revenge, or they want to spread some false information, or they want to create some kind of inconvenience to you. They would like to show annoyance regarding you. So if anyone commits for these kind of offences, they will be getting imprisonment up to 3 years plus fine. One thing you need to notice, my dear friends, most of the times, people who when they will spread false information, because of carrying 10 to 15 years of good relationship they will be have with you, but suddenly if you don't help them, they will misunderstand and they think that you are an enemy to them, and they will try to spread the false information, and they will send some electronic messages or emails by using any computer resource, any social media or any computer resource, any communication device. They may spread such kind of messages about you. They may send you, and that will cause to your that will cause to your inconvenient, so that you needed to bear these kind of things. If you think someone is falling for these kind of offences, as I mentioned above, you can report the issue as soon as possible in the respective police station with all the evidence. Because if you provide the information accurately, the police can start investigation on that. The police can help you as soon as possible. So they will trace the person who is committing for these kind of offences, and they will catch the person. They make sure that they will go to the jail. They will get the appropriate punishment as per the law and order. So this is all about section 66A. I request you all to subscribe to this channel again and spread the awareness about IT acts. Let us reduce the cyber crimes, because when we explain about the punishment for the crime, even the people who have intention to commit for such kind of offences, they may not commit for such kind of offences. So please do subscribe to channel and share the video for each and everyone. Thank you so much and have a great day.